One monster roll.
Where's the noodles?
Roll. Here, madam. But only one picture. But if you like all menus here,
Okay, no.
we have 3 types of noodles.
What are they?
Indomie noodles, Thai noodles, and Japanese noodles.
The Vietnamese-
Indomie noodles,
Not spicy.
yeah, not spicy. We have plain, vegetable, chicken, and shrimp.
Which two?
Vegetable.
Is there a place I can place my charger on? Or
Yes, yes, it's okay.
Here or
Here. Here. This one. This iPhone.
Okay, yeah.
So I repeat your order. Sorry. Monster roll, dynamite. How many pieces dynamite? 4, 8.
How many pieces?
4 pieces and 8 pieces. 4 pieces. 1 veggies, Indomie.
Yes.
That's it. Here, madam. How about drinks, madam?
I know.
No drinks?
We have electric to Vietnam.
Oh, we don't
We have
have.
electric.
No, it's I borrow this side. Yeah, if you like. You need? You like?
No, it's
Exactly 100. At pagkakuha-kuha ng order ng aming regular customer na dalawa, ito at ginawa ko na agad ang monster roll. At si partner naman ang nagluluto ng noodles. At ang nilagay ko nga na flavor sa monster roll ay tobiko, sesame seed, crab salad, shrimp, and avocado. At after naman ng ginawa ko monster roll, ito naman dynamite shrimp na may 4 pieces. At syempre, pagkatapos natin yan na pagro-roll at katin, ay lalagyan ko lang din po ng sauce at toppings. At habang si partner naman ay tapos na sa pagluluto ng noodles, ay siya na nga ang magsisetup dun sa labas para ma-serve na ito sa aming dalawang customer na regular. At syempre, paglalagyan ko lang ng konting kaek-ikan yan para naman matawa ulit ang aming customer. Nasanay na sila sa akin dito na maglagay ng mga design at magse-selfie muna bago kainin. Yun lang, salamat. Love you all. Mama, chup chup.